In primetime news this evening, JDF National Reserves called out to support the police during the Christmas season. Human rights group in support of 12-month limit on sexual complaints. And Senate endorses local government election extension. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on the deployment of members of the JDF National Reserve to support the police during the Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.